Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your boy, it's your boy, BabyUSus. This is my, so this is called Ragdoll Simulator. Well, not Ragdoll Simulator, but called Ragdoll. So yeah, let's do this. Let's get up here. So I've played this game a little bit, but not recording. Yeah. I'm gonna roll. Oh, this is gonna break my ankle. Oh. Oh, did it even blast me? What's happening? What's happening? Oh. Oh. Oh my. I made it so far. We're gonna make the Chuck game. I'm not the Chucky, the Squid game. I'm gonna make it. Pretty fun. What just happened? I didn't even go in the cannon. No. Yeah. Wait, how about I go down and I stick and look at oh my god, my body's twisted. My whole entire body's twisted. Oh my, look at this. This is crazy. And I can't go down because I'm sticked. Bro, this is crazy. Can I get out? Ugh. Stick. Ugh. Yes. Oh, I'm so funny. Look at me. Look at me. And what is happening to me? What's happening? I'm dancing. Bro, I'm just dancing. Ready? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I'm so cool. Alright, let's stand up. Stand up. Stick. In. Here, stick. And now stick. Bruh. This man It screamed out. I can tell. I'll see how far I can make it. Oh. Bruh. OMG! We don't get off the map. I'm under the ground. What happened? I died. No, I didn't. This is just too funny. This game's so funny. Bro, look at this man. He fat. He fat chungus. So cool skin. Nope. Nope. I'm not trying a girl's. This is so weird. Just my whole head is breaking. I don't know why I'm laughing. I mean, I do. It's just myself. Like, all right, let's get up to this building and fall down. This thing has lots of steps. I'm looks so creepy. Oh my god, I just creepy. Bro, I'm so creepy. My whole entire body is twisted. Bro, this is taking forever. How much steps does this thing have? How much steps does this thing have? Like, so tall. Oh, we're gonna jump from here. Oh, how tall we are. Ah! Wait, I'm stuck. I forgot about that. All right, ready? We're gonna. Wait, no. Oh yeah, me just dancing. Oh yeah, me just dancing. Oh yeah, me just dancing. Me just vibing around. I'm gonna, bruh. That's why it had so much steps. Look at this thing. I was like up here. I was barely even high. I was like up like here, and it goes all the way. And there's a plank up there. I wish you could teleport up there. Oh sure. Get on the cannon. Oh, I'm stuck. I forgot about that. Oh, oh my god! It got me as high as it got me higher than the building. I'm gonna land on it. No, I'm not. Please! No. Okay, I gotta try to get up there. It's my goal. Is to get up there. Blast off! Burn me vibing. Famous player outfits. Did these cost Robux? Robux? Oh my god, I'm not even a ragdoll. Cost Robux. Oh! No! Bro. Let's get up here. Ready, set. Bruh. Bruh moments. That man tall. Jeez. That man do be vibing. He be vibing on us. Now look at this guy. He's the same as me, bro. We're brothers. Actually, no, we aren't. We aren't brothers no more. Look, because we ain't brothers. I got my vibing costume on. It's my vibing costume. This is gonna hurt more. Ow. I'm gonna drink this potion. It's a bad potion. Ooh, fat. A chungus. I'm tall, man. I'm tall. I'm a tall man. Bro, that's how short I was. This is like grown up height. That's like kid height. This is like grown up height. That's like kid height. I feel like this is how Roblox players should be, because this is like grown up height. Ah, frick, it's just my gaming chair just slipped. We're gonna drink another big potion. Oh no, mine's out now. Let's toss a grenade at someone. That whenever you throw a grenade, just throw it at myself. Hold on. Birder. Alright, don't. My potion came back. Yes, it has. Potion. Oh my god, I got a fat head. My head, I'm small and I got a fat head. I'm not gonna lie. I really want this, but I also really want I want this too. I just want the hair. That's all I really want. I have enough, but I don't know. I don't know if I should buy it or not. Alright, I'll get the jacket. That's free. I don't know if... Here, I'll get the first. I don't know if I should buy the hair. It's $95. No, I'm not gonna. How long is this? And I'm gonna end it here, guys. Oh my god. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and bye. Please consider subscribing.